Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In this video, I am going to write a program which do copy of stack. You have given an stack. Okay, uh, my code will perform copy will copy of stack from one stack to another stack. Okay, so I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. You do open the same, and you can open online Java compiler, and you do practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved. Okay, so I'm going to make a file for writing code and saving code and doing execution of that. So I need to write here what? No, I just need to I need to write here copy tag dot java. And what? ESVM, so that I can take insert main method directly, uh, which is written in what already written or it saved in Visual Studio Code. I'm going to insert what import a scanner class and a stack for making the object for that. Okay, so I need to write import java dot util dot scanner. I need to write here scanner import java dot util dot stack util dot stack. Okay, and you need to write what sorry scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and you need to write here stack integer value I'm going to take, so that I'm inserting here integer. st is equals to new stack, and you need to write here out enter size of the size of the stack int n is equals to sc dot next int, and then I need to write what shout enter n element for the tag. Okay, I am going to take it using for loop, and I need to write here 1 plus I plus plus int x x is equals to sc dot next int. You need to write here what nothing, and just you need to push it in st dot push x, and you need to make another stack like with name temp and rt, so that you can it will work actually on LIFO principle, that is last in first out. So I'm a pop element from st and insert it in what in reverse order in temp, and then I will repeat the process same, and then I will get in third phase I will get in first phase I have created an stack with name st, and in second phase I will store the reverse store the element in the reverse order in temp stack, and then I will do the same things for what rt. So I need to write here stack. You don't worry, I will explain here everything with writing comment. Okay, so you need to write here stack integer m new m sorry stack oh my god. Okay, rt you need to write is equals to new tag. What is the problem here? In teaser e you need to enter new you need to here writing. Okay, while uh, while uh, st dot empty empty is there, then you need to push uh, you need to write here temp dot push and st dot pop pop. Okay, temp dot push and st dot pop. So I have created temp here. Okay, then you need to write here what while not equals to temp 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 dot empty you need to int x is equals to uh, int x is equals to temp dot pop x dot temp dot pop and you need to save here st dot put what x you need to write here capital T and then you need to write copy of it rt dot push x. Okay, done. And then you need to write out original original stack is st. It is already written, so I don't need to write. And here I need to write what copied copied stack is RT. Okay, and I need to remove ln from all uh, output statement. Okay, here also, so that our cursor will be the next of this text, and so I am going to execute this. So I need to write here what 5. I am entering 5 element and 2 7 8 9 2 3 sorry 6. So this is the original stack and this is the copied stack. I am going to write here one. No, it's not need to write here I just need to write here ln. It's clear. Now it will display clearly. 5, 7, 8, 9, 8, 3 and 2, 5. So this is the original stack and this is the copied stack. Okay. Uh, I can also print here uh, reverse stack also. Okay. So here I am going to print shout what reverse of the stack is what uh, temp. Here should be capital T. Okay. So I need to write here again what 5 element and I'm entering 7, 8, 9, 32, 2, 3 and 2, 5. So here the reverse of the stack is this, original stack is this one and copied stack is this. Okay. So I'm going to write a comment line so that you can understand in a better way. Okay. So I need to remove this ln. So actually you already understood what I have written um, uh, till now, this one till this one you have understood. I am just taking uh, size and element for the stack. Okay. And I have created this one so that a stack work on LIFO principle, that is last in first out. So first in first um, pop element from st and I am inserting that element in temp in this line, in this code of. Okay. And sorry in this while st dot emp, while st is not becoming empty till you have to push element in temp and pop from st. Okay. And if it is empty means you have to return a reverse of the stack in order to temp. And then i'm I'm doing pop from temp and insert in st so that our original array, sorry, our original stack uh, should be maintained. Okay. And then I'm doing rt dot push means I'm copied the stack. Okay. And in this I'm just and I'm just displaying it. Okay. Here I am writing pop means extracting element from the last from uh, temp stack. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day and do practice so that your coding skill will be improved. Okay. So actually I am going to write, don't worry. So actually I'm what I'm doing, pop element from the temp stack and restoring stack this line, restoring the original stack. Okay. And here I am doing copy of uh, copy of original array, original uh, original stack. Okay. And here I am doing the same pop element from what, control c, control v, pop element from st stack and storing, or you can say, or inserting that element meant in the what, uh, temp stack. Okay, so I think it's done. It's enough to understand. And here I am actually taking user input. Here I am going to write taking user input. Okay, and here I am doing creating object for a scanner class. Okay, so I think it's enough to understand. And here I am creating another uh, stack with the name temp and rt. Okay, so thank you for watching again, and have a nice day. Be with me, I will solve your every type of problem of the DSA and of the Java. Okay, so be with me. Thank you. I'm going to close it.